Hello everybody, I am Attila Tanner. Welcome to a brand new video of NextEra. It's been about 2 weeks since the last video, so we are due for an update. We're going to go over the highlights with big tech and some other companies that reported, following the regular reporting for US and Canada. Before starting though, as much as I like stocks, I also follow soccer, and I got a new jersey from my team, and the new season is starting, so I'm excited all about that. All right, let's go into the highlights. Apple reported minus 1% year-over-year sales decline they had. So our target rate for them is now $164, and they're trading a little bit higher than that. Amazon reported 11% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is now $124, and they are trading a little bit higher than that. Google reported 7% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is $103, and they're trading higher than that as well. Meta reported, like Amazon, 11% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is now $142, but they're trading way ahead of that. All right, let's see other companies that reported. Microsoft reported an 8% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is now $281, and they're trading higher than that. Tesla reported an impressive 47% year-over-year growth, and then our target for them is now $304, and so there is an upside for Tesla. JP Morgan reported 34% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is now $139, and they are trading a little bit higher than that at the moment. Prologis reported impressive 96% year-over-year sales growth. Target for them is $102, and they're trading higher than that as well. All right, that's the highlights for big tech and others. And we're going to go over the regular reporting. We start with the US market and the value stocks. We have a newcomer in spot number 1. Taiwan Semiconductor is now the new number 1. They have a $500 billion market cap with the price to earning less than 16. JP Morgan, who was number 1, moves down to spot number 2. ExxonMobil is on spot number 3 like last time. Tencent, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Here we are basically looking at high market cap companies with low price earnings. These companies become more stable companies and companies you might consider for your portfolio. Dividend stocks in the US market, Verizon is number 1, AT&T is number 2, and 3M is number 3. Growth stocks, here we are basically looking at sales growth versus stock price growth. We also put some other factors. We just recently also upgraded the formulas. So ZoomInfo is the new number 1, sales growth of 16% year over year, while the stock price has recently declined up to 44%. NextEra Energy is a spot number 2. They moved down to spot number 2. 42% year-over-year sales growth, while the stock price has been declining 11%. Blackstone, they were actually in the Pricey list, and they moved all the way into the growth side of it. They had the sales growth of incredible 347%, while the stock price has been up 15%. Blackstone also has a high price-to-sale ratio, so that makes it even more remarkable that they can make it into this list. Pfizer and US Bancorp is out from top 3. The bottom of the same list is the pricey ones. So here is basically the same ratio when we look at the price versus sales. So Vroom is number 1, Nvidia is number 2, and Xpeng is newcomer on spot number 3. They had a sales decline of 50% and stock price going down 32%. All those 3 companies, however, they are soon going to report, so we shall see if they will stay in the pricey list next time we do the reporting. All right, that's the US market. Let's dive into the Canadian market and the value stocks there. Royal Bank is number 1, TD Bank is number 2, and we have a newcomer in Canadian Natural Resources on spot number 3. They have an $89 billion market cap and price to earning of 10. Bank of Montreal, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Dividends in the Canadian market, Tourmaline Oil is number 1, Transalta Renewables is number 2, and Enbridge is number 3. Growth stocks in the Canadian market, we have a new number 1, RB Global. They had a sales growth of impressive 135%, while the stock price declined 6%. TELUS International moved down to spot 2 following the report. Sales growth of 10%, but the stock price has lately gone down 61%. Boralex remains on spot number 3. Capital Power, who was in the list, is out from top 3. Pricey ones in the Canadian market. Franco-Nevada moves up to spot number 1. Wheat and Precious Metal is a newcomer on spot number 2. Sales declined of 24% year over year, while the stock price was up 9%. Onyx is also a newcomer on spot number 3. Sales growth of 15%, followed by stock price decline of 24%. Bombardier and West Fraser Timber is out from top 3. This was the report for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. If you like those videos, please subscribe and like those videos. I will appreciate that. You can also follow us on X, the new name for Twitter. NextEra is the handle. I will tweet whenever there is some interesting news coming up. All right. Always gather a lot of information before jumping ahead purchasing stock. Until next time, bye-bye.